Ladies and gentlemen,
Cookie farm, room, cookie farm, room, cookie farm, room, do.
whether you're wearing tank tops or flannel, welcome to PNN News Channel.
First day here on the job, I ain't get a comfortable chair, so y'all gonna have to excuse that, please. But in today's news, here in your local West End of Atlanta, this chair really uncomfortable. We got Olaf here. Want to talk about a terrible tragedy that happened to him over the weekend. A family saw him and they had their way with him. Ain't that right, Olaf? He's still in trauma. And so am I. If y'all don't get me a comfortable chair, I'm about to lose my last nerve. Can't get a good job. Can't get a good chair. The first time they ran into Olaf.
Thank you, God, for this beautiful day. Remembrance of this cross for our Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. Wait, man, what in the world? Olaf, bro, what you doing, bro? I'm over here trying to get close to God, and you always gotta pop up everywhere, man. What you want, bro? What you want, bro? I don't care. You got the puppy dog eyes, but they don't mean nothing to me. It don't mean nothing to me. What you want, man? Why you stalking my family? I got a family, bruh. Tell him I got a family, Selena. Tell him.
Yeah, he got a family. You know, I'm the nurse. Where's the time to go?
It's all good. I got something for you, bruh. I got something for you, bruh. You want to be a snowman in the summertime? I got something for you, bruh. Eat that snow. Eat that snow. Because you're going to need it when you go in the summer. You're going to need to stay cool.
Here.
Eat that snow. Yeah, eat that snow. Eat that. Yeah, because you ain't ready for the summertime, Olaf. You ain't ready, bruh. You ain't ready, bruh.
The second time they ran into Olaf.
What's good, bruh? Why, you just be chilling all day, man. You don't like to do nothing, huh? Yeah, eat that snow. Eat that snow she gives you. Yeah, that's breakfast. You up here getting a tan? Boy, you gonna melt, boy. You can't be in the summertime.
You gotta melt.
Eat that snow. Eat that.
You're not gonna melt.
Eat that.
The third time they ran into Olaf.
What's good, Olaf? What's going on? Huh? You just hanging? You just chilling? Just chilling on the porch, huh? Yeah, that's right. Eat that. Yeah, eat that snow. Yeah, eat that. Huh? You want to come out in the summertime, huh? You don't want that. It ain't pretty, boy. Yeah, that's right. You heard that? Yeah. Summer ain't for snowman, bro. No. You don't want that fire. You don't want that fire. You don't want that fire. You don't want it.
The first time they had their way with Olaf.
All right, Mr. Olaf. Just don't run away this time.
The second time they had their way with Olaf.
Oh, Mr. Olaf, what do you have to say for yourself?
Don't touch me, mister.
Oh. Hey, okay. Good cop, bad cop, I see. That's right. I didn't even ask you any questions and she's already stuffing your face with snow. As if you're not already made out of it. Okay, bad cop. Jeez. Guess I gotta be the good cop. Alright. Alright, let the brother go. Let the brother go. Alright, jeez. Man. It's just bad cop. It's just straight bad cop, man. Trying to be a good cop. Hey, let him go. Let him go. Jeez. Didn't even ask him no questions yet. You okay, brother? Man, she tripping, ain't she? Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, brother. Hey, you got a bit nose hard as dang. Hard as a rock, boy. How you get this nose? How'd your mama give birth to you with that nose? Anyways, I got some questions to you. What happened to Elsa, bruh? What happened to Elsa? What you do? Leave him alone. What happened to Elsa, bruh? What happened to Elsa? What happened to the sister? And what's up with this fake king want to make people's lives miserable? Tell us something, Olaf. Alright, you know what? You ain't gonna talk, she just gonna keep stuffing you with snow. Alright, let the man live.